Hi guys, we're here at James Garden in Toronto. It's not a sponsored guys, it's just we're so excited to open the one we ordered our YouTube channel. So let's see what's inside this.
So that's actually what we need for vlogging.
Oh, I'm so excited. Look, what's this guys? Another box. Wow. Big size. I thought it was something bigger than this. So another medium box. So the next box probably is a lot smaller. So we'll see if there's more smaller box inside. Isn't that so exciting? This is like more surprises inside. Okay guys, let's start again. Let's unbox this medium box now, not the bigger box. So this should be more about suspense. Oh, okay, there you go. Aha! Another small box, I told you guys. Another small box right here. So, wow, there's probably more smaller box inside that. So, again, this is not, what do you call that?
Sponsored.
This is not sponsored. We're just excited to open boxes after boxes. Then maybe we'll get to the tiny box. By the way, my daughter is smiling at me for opening boxes. Aha! Oh, this time it's not smaller box. I think this time is actually the one we ordered. I think it's part of it. Let's see the main. I'm not sure what my wife ordered at the Amazon.
It's a gift for you for Father's Day.
Okay, this time it's not small box. Ah, hold on. This is actually the small box. And this is not the medium, this is actually another medium box. So, it's full of boxes, guys. So let's see what's in here first. My wife told me we can use this for our channel. So hopefully let us know if this is actually useful for a YouTuber like us. Some kind of stick. Oh, it's a joystick, guys. No, is that a joystick? No, it's not a joystick. It's actually a tripod.
Tripod.
What's wrong with me? It's a tripod, guys. Never see a tripod for so long.
Seriously?
It's a baby tripod.
No, that should be expanded.
I used to use this in high school when I was like taking some kind of video subject. It's actually really light, guys. So I think it's very
Handy,
you have to hold the camera too long. Right? Nice. Oh, that's good, eh? That's really go a lot higher.
Oh. That's what I like it. I need that one. But how come it's too light?
Light is better, so it's easy to carry around.
How about if it's windy like this now? Actually, we're at the park, guys.
We're at James Park, James Garden actually. But during the middle of summer, it's full of flowers.
We're gonna go there. We're gonna go there later. Oh, nice air.
So let's open my daughter wanna open
Other box?
the other box. I call it another medium box. We already opened the baby box.
Oh.
It's not another box, guys. This is it. So this is what we ordered at the Amazon. And we're too excited to try it. And see if actually will help us when it comes to our lighting. Alright guys, so you know what this is. It's to get more colorful. Okay. Now it's actually
It's supposed to be fragile.
light for. You're gonna put the camera here, so you're gonna have a surround light. It's usually we use it for what do you call that? Makeup lamp, so they can see the face more
Lighter.
lighter.
Yeah.
Yes, focus on your face alike. So guys, wait for my makeup tutorial. I'm just kidding. Okay.
No way.
I'm just kidding.
So there's a remote too?
I'm not sure how to use the remote yet. But I guess it's to turn on the light and on and off. But he has a picture of a camera. I'm not sure why. Anyway, we'll find that out. So, I don't think it's chargeable. So
What is this
we'll find out. Let's just plug it in the wall. I have to read the manual. So guys, this is how it looks like. But anyway, we cannot plug it on the wall yet. We got to try it at home when we get to home. We're outside right now, having fresh air, because we've been home for a while. So the light's gonna be here, your camera is gonna be here, your phone camera. And if you go look in the back, that's where your can
cell
see.
phone.
Cell phone. So you can see. That's to give more light around your face.
We're gonna try this tonight and we'll see if this
It's actually helpful when it comes to give more quality to our YouTube videos.
so this one is gonna go here. I'm excited to use it.
I think you can dim it. You can put minus plus. You can put more light plus.
Any comment down below
Yeah.
if this is you find this helpful.
Or maybe you guys have it too. Let us know if it's really helpful when it comes to making videos. Thank you.